up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here, where data empowers true potential and I show you the power of your numbers. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really cool trick, a really cool feature. It's not a trick, a feature of eBay, how to send bulk offers to likes. So if you have a lot of people that are liking, you do not have to go in one by one. You can send them all out in the matter of seconds, and I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned. All right, so you do need to have a store to have this feature. And if you have a store, you're simply going to come up here, click on sell. This is going to take you to your seller hub. Lots of really useful information in here. One of the features I'm going to show you today. I also have lots of the other features on my channel. So hit that subscribe button if you do like content like this and you want to learn more about how to utilize eBay features. So I'm on listings, and then I'm going to come down to active, and you can see all of these quick filters here. For the sake of this video, I am going to click on send offers. So this is giving me people who have liked my items, who are watching my items. I can send an offer to them and send them a bigger discount. You can see I currently have a sale on, so I can send them a bigger discount. I can go in one by one and say, hey, I want to do this one, and send it to them, or I can select all of them. For the sake of this video, I only have 3 current watchers because I did this about an hour ago, but I can click on all of them, hit send offers, and I can do whatever percent that I want. I'm going to pick 22%. And what's nice about this as well is you can pick a percent and it's going to tell you down here the offer that it is going to send to make sure that's something that you feel comfortable with. It does give a standard message. Oftentimes I like to add in, thank you for supporting my small business or something, and then with my name. And then you can either click allow counter offers. So if you're okay with people sending back an offer, or you can click this off and say, hey, this is the lowest that I am going to send, and then hit send offers. That's it. In the matter of seconds, you can send out an offer to every single person who has liked your items. So if you like content like this, tips and tricks on how to resell, ways to look at your data and make the money that I know that you can make sure to hit that subscribe button. Save this video so that you know how to do this in the future. And please feel free to share this video with other people that you think may enjoy it. Leave those comments down below if you have questions on this video or if there's other things in eBay that you would like to see. So have a good day.